Open this one.
What do you got, happy boy?
That is cool. Oh, Chloe, show me that one. Oh, can I see that one?
Let's see it.
Daddy.
Wow, that is cool.
Give this one to Eli to open. And you open this one. Give that one to Eli. He has to open another one.
Eli, do this one and then you go get that
You
one.
do this one.
Remember, Eli does this one?
Yeah.
Here, Eli. What's this?
That's it.
A bus, you just said. Say
That's the last
a
one.
bus.
Yeah.
Show Daddy the bus.
They're all for sharing.
Wow. You want to see the bus? Bus. Thank you, Grandpa.
Can you get it?
Where's Eli?
He's got it over there.
No, not that one.
I think it was the bus.
Here, Eli. Get it.
See the bus?
Thank you.
What's that one? What's this?
I think they're all for
What's
sharing.
this? A bus.
Allow barter or trade.
Oh man, I'm sure they'll do that. That is cool. That means he likes it.
You like it? Let me see your car. Let me see.
Show Grandma your car.
Where is it? Oh, pretty.
Chloe's opening the last one.
That's mine.
Show Daddy. Show Daddy how you're opening. Turn around and show.
Chloe, turn around so I can see you.
Daddy's doing a video so we can show it to Grandpa what we got.
There you go. There you go.
Let's see what it is.
Wow. Mustang.
I like the red one.
Okay. Give this one to Daddy.
What's mine? What's my fire truck? Owen.
Oh, you're all share.
Well, we're gonna all trade and
Give this
share.
one to Mommy to open, okay?
Oh, thank you.
And then give this one. Yeah.
Move.
Whoa. Who's that one too?
All right, that's
That
it.
that
Let's see
one's
what
for
Mom
Mike.
got. Let's see what Mom got.
What am I getting? Whoa! Look what I got.
Yeah, can I share that?
Look at Owen's face.
Mom,
Did
can
you
I
see
share
it?
that with you?
Should I share this? I can share.
You can share
What?
my car.
Owen,
Okay.
open this up.
Owen, open that.
That's not Owen.
That's Daddy's. Owen's helping him.
I'm
And you
not
can
I asked Owen to
help
help.
me get this out. Yep.
Okay.
Oh, look a roller.
Oh wow, you guys are in hog heaven right now.
Yeah, it goes right this way.
You can.
Take that out. Oh, it's tape.
Yeah, it's got a little tape on it.
Oh.
Yeah. You want to take Owen's face right now? Owen. You want to see that one, Eli?
Excuse me, can I have my fire truck back?
Hold on, you want this? Oh, these go. It
What's
can go
everybody
back
say?
there.
What do you say to Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Say it right here.
Look right here, Grandpa. He's looking.
Thank you, Grandpa.
This is great. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Grandpa.
They race too if you pull them back.